Hey everyone, Mission here. This video we're unboxing my Galaxy Watch 4. So, Galaxy Watch 4, it's the black on black Samsung, the 40mm, and there's the name. It's not much to it. This is back here. Guess warnings or something there. There's all this information here. Whatever this is, don't know. So yeah, starting the unboxing. Okay, so this here is the Wi-Fi Bluetooth GPS model. It's not the cellular. So yeah, this was actually the last one Best Buy had in stock. The last one of this kind. Set that there, so it slides off very nicely. This is like stuck in here, so let's put it there. Something. So let's open this first. Oh, there's the watch. Looks amazing. So here, let's open this. This feels like the charger. Slides out. Some nice packaging. I do like nice packaging. Yep, it's a charger. It's a wireless charger. You set the watch on here. Charges. This you plug in USB. It's USB-A. Yeah. Not much about that. Let's put this back in here. Okay, so this side here, let's open it. Okay, so open this. Quick start guide and terms and conditions. So, okay, that's everything in there. Put this back in here. Okay, so enough with that. So, let's get to the watch itself. As you can see, it is the black on black. The rubber feels like dusty-ish. Not dusty, but it's not like perfectly smooth. You can see bottom there. So yeah. Is there anything else in the box? Not sure, I don't really remember. I think this is all. Yeah, no, it doesn't come off very easily. No, that's all. I'm gonna grab my phone real quick and we can start to set this up. Okay everyone, I got my phone here. I have Galaxy Buds. I already have the Galaxy wearable app pre-installed because I have Galaxy Buds 2. First, let's go ahead and turn it on. Well, it might be dead. Yeah, no, it's dead. Let's unbox the charger real quick. And then we could do that. I'm going to grab a thing to charge it with. Okay, I'm back. I got power bank. Plug the charger into it. Okay, it should be working. Let's peel this off. That's amazing. I love peeling stuff. It's so amazing. Going to continue to touch it right after I peeled it just to aggravate everyone. Bottom of it. Okay, let's go ahead. Surprisingly, they don't put more plastic on here that you peel off. I feel like there'd be a pull tab or something, but there's not. Let's go ahead, set on the charger. We're going to let it charge for a minute. Then we'll see if it does anything. It's turned on. can see the little charging logo there. But yeah, it's charging. I'm going to give it a few minutes to charge, and then we could set it up. I'll show you how to set it up. Probably not going to go through the whole setup process because this is my second time unboxing it, but probably just going to load it from a backup if that's an option while setting it up. If not, then I'll probably set it up and then load from the backup. So yeah, I'll see you guys as soon as it's done charging. As you can see, it started with the charging animation. It's at 1%. So yeah, I'll be back when it gets at least a few more percent. I'm hoping 5 or 10%. And then I'll start setting it up. So see you guys then. Okay, we're back. Watch is at 19%. Not going to take it off the charger. Just hold the on button, the home button, the top one. Samsung logo. It's kind of hard to see. Guess I'll just wait for it to turn on. This happens every time you turn it on. Shows this. Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. I'm guessing that's how you say it. Okay, so loading. Welcome. Guess I'll slide up. Add the name. To start the Galaxy wearable app on your phone. Okay, let's do that. Okay, so here we are with screen record, but I don't have screen record. So add new device. See it right there, Galaxy Watch4. Check the number on your watch. It buzzed. Confirm on your phone. And it's buzzing. It's going boop, 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 boop. Okay. Your watch is paired. It's downloading the Galaxy Watch Manager. It's downloading the Galaxy Watch Manager here. And here. Check your phone to complete setup. Okay, so it's at 100%. It should finish in a second. For your review, by continuing, you agree to the Samsung terms and conditions and Samsung privacy notice. See permissions for Galaxy wearable and how they're used. Setting diagnostic data optional. Details, nope. So we're gonna go down here, hit continue. Google terms of service. By continuing, you agree to the Google terms of service and the terms below. Note the Google privacy policy describes how data is handled in this service. Usage and diagnostic reports help improve Wear OS by automatically sending diagnostic and device usage data to Google. If your additional web and app activity setting is turned on, this data may be saved to your Google account. Don't think I want to send diagnostic data. Location. Your watch may use the location from your phone or the watch if available. Location may use sources like GPS, Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and sensors to help estimate your device's location. Google may collect location data periodically and use this data in an anonymous way to improve location accuracy and location-based services. The overall location setting may be accessed here or on the watch. The Google location accuracy setting may only Google Assistant open may only be accessed on the watch. Automatic updates. Your watch may automatically download and install updates. These updates may be from Google or your operator, possibly using mobile data. So the location for me is going to be using Bluetooth Wi-Fi. maybe GPS. So yeah, it's not going to be using cellular. So yeah, location, I use that, so I'm going to keep it on. So I agree or decline. Decline is probably just going to not let you use it. So I agree here. Getting your watch ready. This might take a few minutes, and it has percentage in the middle with the dots around like the one before. So I'll be back when this is done. Okay, so it showed the check mark in the middle. Now it says animation. I would just keep the like 0 to 100%, but if it's not done, because it's obviously still doing stuff because the watch is still on the same screen as before. Watch the animation. Sign into your Google account. So it says sign into your Google account. Sign into your Google account on your watch to use Google Apps, download new apps, and use Find My Device. So has Google account right there. Continue as exclamation, or choose another account, or you could skip down there. I'm going to say continue. Log to continue setting up your device. Guide fingerprint. Signing in. This could take about a minute. Okay, animation was right there. Checking for Google Play. This may take a moment. Select apps for your watch. We've picked some apps to help you get started, including some apps that are on your phone or on other devices. You can find more apps on Google Play and install them from your phone or watch. Will install when your watch is charging and connected to Wi-Fi. Skip storing your watch with Samsung Cloud. Choose watch data to restore. That one backed up a few days ago at 4:02 p.m. I guess that's not correct. So let's go ahead, or you could skip. So I have a backup, so I'm going to click this. Choose what to restore. It has all the apps and everything. This is basically what the backup screen looked like. It just said backup at the top. 1 megabyte, that's all. So it's at the bottom. This, I'm going to click this. There's back or restore. So I'm going to go ahead and click restore. Restore your watch, alarm, apps, quick panel, Samsung Health, settings, apps, settings are all restoring, or yeah. Nope, it's done. We're organizing your restored data in the background. Oh, I didn't get to read it. Finishing up. This may take a few minutes. While you're waiting, take a moment to get familiar with your watch. Tips and user manual. Okay, click this and it'll open. But I'll just wait because I've already seen those. I already know how to use the watch. I'm just setting it up. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Battery, Galaxy Watch4. Get lock screens up there. Or not lock screen, sorry, wallpaper. Learn how to get the most from your watch. Not now. It has all of this, and yeah. So guys, while it's starting, I just want to say, if you like this video so far, make sure to give it a like. If you want to see more content like this or any of my gaming videos, which is mostly Minecraft, but there's also other games I'm going to play, make sure to subscribe. And hey, share this with some friends and family. They might want to watch this too. You never know. Or like share it with anyone. Who knows? Yeah, just make sure to like, subscribe, and hey, if you want to say something, or recommend I play a game, or say something about my content, leave a comment down below. The comment section is always open for anyone to leave comments. Take a tour of your watch. Sure, let's click start. Swipe down from the top to open the quick panel. Okay, this is working. This is how it should be. So swipe down. Swipe up to go back to the watch face. For apps, swipe up from the bottom edge. Swipe down to go back to the watch face. For notifications, swipe right. Tap to open this notification. Swipe right from the edge to go back to the previous screen. Swipe left to go back to the watch face. Swipe, or for tile, swipe left. Press the home key to go to the watch face from any screen. That's it, enjoy your watch. Didn't explain the back key. Okay, so here we are. Everything seems to have restored. So everything but my apps have restored. Maybe when I get more charge, it'll do the apps. Yeah, my daily activity hasn't restored yet. So yeah, Galaxy Watch 4, here we are. Doesn't need a charge. I'll charge it overnight. It should work. I like that animation. So hey everyone, this is animation. That's the end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to like if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this or gaming videos from me on my channel. And comment down below if you have any suggestions for games for me to play when I do videos about games. And comment down below if you have any suggestions on tech you want me to check out, you think is cool, or anything you think I should do different in my videos, and I might consider it. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next episode, whatever I do, next video. And yeah, good morning, good night, have a good rest of your day. Have good whatever time is for you. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video on this or gaming or wherever video of mine you watch next. Bye.